Class 10, Chapter 3, Pair of linear equations in two variables. Example 1. Check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12 is consistent. Consistent means they must meet. There must be common point on the both lines. If they meet, the point of intersection will be a common point on the both lines. Here, two purple lines are given. They are meeting at this point, so they are consistent. That's why if two lines meet at one unique point, or they are in line with another, they are consistent. Suppose this line lies on this line, like this collinear. This is one line, and this is another line. They are also consistent because one line is lying on the other line. Every point is a common point on both sides. So they share common points. Here there is only one common, unique solution. There is infinitely many solutions. Find graphically whether the following pair of equations have unique solution, infinitely many solution, no solution at all. They are given two equations. So graphically I didn't solve, but I solved. They are consistent. Because why? Three x minus 24y plus 3 by 5, if you multiply with 5, it becomes this equation. What is the other equation given? 5x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0, which is same as first equation. Because multiply this with 3, what happens? You get this. 15x minus 24y plus 3 equal to 0, that is one equation. 5x minus 8y plus 1 equal to 0. If you multiply with 3, you get again the same equation. So they represent two lines which are overlapping. So they are consistent. Example 3. Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friends asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts is 2 less than the twice number of the pants purchased. Also, number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the pants purchased. Help her friends to find how many pants and how many skirts Champa bought. So let us assume that Champa bought X skirts and Y pants. First condition, 2 less than the twice the pant bought. Pants bought, his number is Y. So 2 times that is 2y minus 2 is X. This is one equation. Second condition, the number of skirts is 4 less than the 4 times pants. 4 times pants, 4y. Minus 4 is x. So we have to solve these two equations. X equal to 2y minus 2 is first equation. X is equal to 4 minus 4 is second equation. You solve it, you get x 0, skirts 0. And pant is 1. Y is 1. Now we will go into exercise given in the textbook, exercise 3.1. Form pair of equations in the following problems and find their relations graphically. Not relations, it is solutions. This is solutions. From pair of equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Graphically, I'm not going to, there is no graph paper here. If graph paper is there, okay, you draw the graph, it is easy. 10 students in class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If number of girls are 4 more than number of boys, find the number of girls and boys that participated in the quiz. This is the problem. Let the number of boys who took part x, then girls automatically x plus 4. Given that total number is 10, x plus x plus 4 is 10. So x must be 3. Number of boys 3. Number of girls is 4 more, 7. There is second method. That also I have did like this. If you have any doubt, I will tell. X boys, Y girls. First equation is girls are 4 more. Y equal to x plus 4. Then total number is 10. X plus y is 10. Solve those. You get x equal to 3, y equal to 7. Five pencils, 7 pens together cost 50. Whereas 7 pencils, 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So cost of 1 pencil is x, cost of 1 pen is y. 5x plus 7y is 50 is first equation. 7x plus 5y is 46 is the second condition. Solve them. See here I have drawn graphically. I plotted these curves. How to plot? You have to erect one table here. Here you should write x. Here you should write y. Go give some value for x, you get value for y. Go give x, you get y. Plot all those lines, you will get a straight line. And actually, take x is 0 first time, you get y. And then take y is 0 next time, you get x. These 2 points are enough to plot a straight line. The next problem is, by comparing coefficients a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, say whether the lines representing given pair of lines are intersecting, are parallel, or coincident. Intersecting means like this. Parallel means like this. Coincidence means like this. 5x minus 4y plus 8, 7x plus 6y minus 9. a1 by a2, 5 by 7. b1 by a2 minus 4 by 7, anywhere they are not equal. c1 by c2, we need not compare this. 2 lines are intersecting. This is not, this you can ignore. If a1 by a2 is not b1 by b2, we don't care what c1, c2 are. 9x plus 3y plus 12, 18x plus 6y plus 12, 24. Here you see a1 by a2 is half. b1 by b2 is also half. Now question comes c1 by c2. c1 by c2 is equal to half. In such case, they are coincident, same lines. Coincident means they are same lines, same lines. One line lying over the other. Here you see 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, a1 by a2 is 3, b1 by b2 is also 3. But this 4, this a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, so they are parallel. If the a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, they are parallel. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, they are coincident. Coincident means they are consistent. Intersecting means they are consistent. But parallel, they are inconsistent. Problem number 3. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c to find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. They are done. a1 by a2, 3 by 2. b1 by b2, 2 by minus 3. This is not equal to this. So they are consistent. They are intersecting. 2x, a1 by a2 is half. b1 by b2 is half. c1 by c2 is different. So they are parallel. They are not consistent. Here you see, a1 by a2 is 1. b1 by b2 is minus 1. So they are consistent. They are intersecting. Here you see a1 by a2 is b1 by b2 is c1 by c2. That means they are coincident. They are lying one over the other. They are consistent. They have common points. Problem number 5. 4 by 3x plus 2y equal 8 and 2x plus 3y. So find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. You find the linear equations are consistent. Which pair of the following equations are consistent or inconsistent? X plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is 10. Just to multiply this with 2, you get this. So same equations. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So they represent same line. They are one over the other. X plus y equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is 10. Both are lying one over the other. They have infinitely many solutions. So they are consistent. X minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Multiply by 3, 3x minus 3y is 24. But here it is 16. Here what happens? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it's not, both are not equal to c1 by c2. So they are parallel. Parallel means inconsistent. They won't meet at all. 2x plus y minus 6 is 6. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This, I have plotted, I think. I have plotted. They are meeting at this point. Consistent. They are inconsistent in next problem. Inconsistent. In next problem, half the perimeter of the rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters greater than 36 meters. Find the dimensions of the garden. So if you say width is x meters, this is x plus 4, that is given. So area in terms of x is area. We don't want area. We want only half the perimeter. So you add x plus 4. X plus 4 plus x is 36. That means 2x plus 4 is 36, x is 16 meters. Answer. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 8, write another equation in two variables so that the geometrical representation of pair is so formed. Intersecting. So one equation he has given, other equation we should formulate. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. So if you want something which line, equation of the line which is intersecting, a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. That means different coefficients should be there. So 5x plus y is 7 is one such line. There are greatly many, but well, I am giving only one because he asked only one. So parallel అడిగాడు. Parallel అడిగితే ఏం చేస్తాము? 2x దీన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. సపోజ్ 6తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం అనుకో, 12x plus 18y equal to some 7. That's it. That's parallel. మళ్ళా 12x plus 18y equal to, దీన్ని కూడా మనం 6తో 48 అన్నాం అనుకో, collinear. So that is collinear. Ting, ting. If you say 2 by 4 is 3 by 6 is 8 by 16, then only it's collinear. Draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of delta. Delta means triangle. Vertices of triangle formed by them, formed by the lines and the x-axis, and shade the triangular region. He wants to plot these purple lines. This is one line, this is one line, and this is x-axis is another line. X-axis is another line. And he wants us to shade this portion. That's it. This is a matter of drawing a graphs. You should have some graph sheet. You can do it there. I have done in this paint program. There is another exercise in the same chapter we will do in the next video. Please subscribe to Mathematics, and thanks for watching for all this time.